Ya doya. Kamar na dafa ko na daka?
Ga na safara kuma.
Wannan ne safara, wannan kuma fa?
Gaskiya na suya.
Wallahi na kirga. Ai dole ne kishi baba. Ai baba. No Irish.
Which one? This one 9,000, this one 12,000.
12,000.
Onions kuma 5,000.
Wannan dankali fa?
Wannan shi potato 2,500.
Na?
2,500.
2,500. Ana miya za ka ji kashin tumatirin fa, amma dai baka da ko ya shi kenan kayan. Hope day for the hungry masses. Say this one 2,000. Is where? Eh? Me? Ngoje kaji.
Wannan can I be second 4,000? Wannan kuma 4,500. Sai na yanka miki in ba ta ki.
Ah, bashi. Guda biyu ne kenan. Ina son kaman kwaya biyu wannan.
Guda biyu. Nawa za ki bada?
Wani kana kira 4,500 kana son mutum ya ce maka nawa ne? Ah, kyauta mun karo. Wallahi ko a gida za mu samu yafi haka. Kadan samu masu kyau kai kana ta samu waɗansu sirari. Sai ka samu mint leaf na 200.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, so I'm back from the market. I just want to quickly show you guys what I bought from the market. I got this plantain, this one for 3,000 naira, this one for 1,500. So both of them, I got them for 4,500 naira. Plantain is expensive now. We get 3 pieces in my area for 1,000. 3 pieces 1,000. So this is what I got for 4,500. So guys, whenever I go to the market, I like tying my shopping bag. We call this bag Bako bag in Nigeria. I like tying it like this because most people in the vehicle, because I went with public transportation, most people in the vehicle tend to come to the market with this kind of sack. So for easy identification, I don't want to come house when they cry premium tears. I like tying my sack like this. You usually see all my sack tied like this, so that somebody will not mistakenly carry my sack home. I know when I see this one, I know it's my sack. So let's see what we have here quickly, because it's almost time for my kids to come back home. Okay, let me just drop this one here. So this one, okay, this is pear, avocado pear. I got this avocado pear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pear, 9 pieces of the avocado pear. This is the size. I got 9 pieces for 1,000. Sell 4 for 500 naira. So the lady gave me one as my extra, like gara. We call it gara or fisi. So she gave me one. So this whole avocado pear went for 1,000 naira. It is a good buy if you ask me. I got this watermelon. I got these 2 watermelon for 1,500. Yes, 1,500. So whenever you buy watermelon in this part of the world, usually we tell them to slice, like especially if you know you're using it that day, tell them to slice a little bit for you to see what is inside, because sometimes you end up buying unripe watermelon. So I got these 2 watermelons for 1,500. They usually will sell one. Watermelon is expensive now. They will sell one like this, where I'm maybe in my area for like maybe 1,800 or 1,500, maybe one for 1,500. But I got these 2 for 1,500. So I'm just going to wash that, quickly give it a rinse, then put it in the fridge. Later, I think I'll use that later. This is pepper. I got half basket for 4,000 naira. Pepper is expensive now. It is extremely expensive, but this is very hot. This is very hot. So I'll just wash it, put it in the freezer. See the size, very fresh, and it smells hot. It is very hot. So this is 4,000 naira. Okay, this is pepper again. I got this small one for 1,000 naira. It is pepper. This is beans, white beans, butter beans. It is usually faster, like it gets done in time. This is the beans. This is 4 mudu. 4 mudu. I got each mudu for 115, I think. So this is 4 mudu, 6,000 naira. The first bag is empty. As usual, came back tied. So let me drop this again and be bringing them out one after the other. Okay. So in here we have lettuce. We have some green onions, like spring onions. Some spring onions. And some green beans. Green beans. We have carrots in here. Okay, this is mint leaf for your mocktails, your teas. Very fresh. This is mint leaf. Mint leaf. It smells heavenly. It smells divine. And this is peas. I got a cup, a tin, like a milk tin, for 500 naira. I'm just going to wash this properly and store it. I think I'll use it on Sunday. Today is Friday. I'm sure I've already mentioned. This is green peas. So big and fine. So this is 500. I think everything here, I still have one pack where the green pepper and cucumbers, I think. Yes, but everything should be around 2,000 naira, 1,500. So this is for more. This is for more. I don't want to touch this because it's going to make my hand smell. Well, I'm at home. I'm going to wash my hand. So this pomo, this very big pomo, got it for 3,000 naira. Guys, you have no idea. In my area, this pomo, they will cut it to 200, or I think 300 now. They will be able to make 4 to 5, maybe 5 to 6,000 naira out of this pomo if I'm to buy it here in my area where I stay, where I live. So I've got this whole sheet, this big pomo for 3,000 naira. Then I got these 2 sizable ones for 3,500. They are quite big. They are quite big. And this for 3,500. This is cow skin, 6,500. I'm just going to give it a very, very good wash. I'll wash it properly, clean both in and out of the pomo. cut it into my desired size, then store in the freezer. This should take me maybe a month or two, because I don't use it for every of my meals, but most soups, almost every soup, I use this for my soups. So guys, we have ugu here. Is it only in my area or even in the market? This ugu is 500 naira. 500 guys, 500. This is pumpkin leaf. We use it for our soups, egusi, ogbono, maybe ugu soup and the rest. This is 500 naira. Then this is the green pepper I made mention of. So this is ugu. I got these whole onions for 4,000 naira. Let us say dustbin basket, a whole basket for 4,000, and the size is okay. This is the size. You see, for 4,000 naira. I got these ones for 1,000 naira. The size are just for like maybe you want to fry eggs, want to make omelets, want to use it for indomie, your noodles. This is the size. This is the size. So this whole leather 1,000. This is 4,000. So making it total of 5,000 naira. So I'm going to put the onions here. I'll take it out. Not under the sun, no, just for breeze to touch it. It's a lot, guys. See, very big. It is a lot. This should take me a month or even more than a month. This whole onions, 5,000 naira. So we are done with the second sack. This is the third sack. All we have here is yam. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tubers of yam. I got these 6 tubers of yam for 10,000 naira. Not so big, not so small. Over here we have pineapples. I think I'm just going to juice them. These are just pineapples. These 3 pineapples, I got them for 2.5. This is the size of the yam. It's quite heavy. And this is the smallest size. 10,000 naira. That is all from the third sack. So let me just pack it to the right place. This is the last bag. This is custard rubber. This I got it for 2,000 naira. So I'm going to wash it. I think I'll be making stew for the week. This is it. It's ripe all through. So this is my derica. I love buying this special, this type of tomato. Then last but not the least, sweet potatoes. I got this sweet potato for 2,000 naira. Let me just put it here. We have big, we have medium, we have small. So this one we'll be using it for breakfast. 2,000 naira. 2,000 naira. Okay, then this is shombo. We call it shombo. I think it's cayenne pepper. Is it cayenne pepper? This long pepper. This long pepper. This is 500 naira. I'm going to blend it with my tomatoes for my stew. So guys, this is everything I was able to get in Gosa Market. So let me know in the comment section, do you think I got some of these things very expensive, or the prices are fair? Maybe in your area things are a lot cheaper. To be honest with you, it's cheaper for me because in my area some of these things, like, they go, like, the prices are like ×2. So I feel like you had a good buy. But just let me know in the comment section, guys. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe. Joe, do I need to sing for you? Please subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to like this video, share this video. If you reside in Abuja, let me know if you'll be willing to visit this market. The market is just along the airport road. When you're coming from town, after Lugbe, if you are very familiar with the area, you get the bridge. The name of the area is Gosa. So you drop like under bridge, the Gosa bridge, you enter the market. Or if you are coming from the airport, as if you are going to town, you will meet the market before you get to Lugbe. Okay, so the name of the market is Gosa Market. Market days are every Mondays and Fridays. If you come on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you're not going to meet anybody because it's an open market. And if you want to enjoy this market, just try and come around morning, let's say 8, 9, 10, or evening 4, 5, 6. Because when you come around 2, 3, the sun is always like very hot. You won't be comfortable because the market is an open space market. It is like a bush market. Yeah, so you're not going to get like shades unless you come with your umbrella. But imagine buying a lot and you're carrying umbrella up and down. It won't be so comfortable for you. So I just decided to show you guys what I got in the market. Thank you very much for constantly supporting me, coming back to my channel. As usual, una own no go spoil. Yes, your own no go spoil. Until I see you all in my next video. Bye.